So you may wonder, why is it that when floods come, it doesn't just strip all of those fruit-sized particles, so all those stones, those grapes and watermelons, why doesn't it just strip that off of the riffle and push it down into the pool and fill up the pool with that stuff so that the riffle disappears and everything's all kind of flat and the same? Well, it turns out that at high floods, things sort of flip-flop. The riffles become less steep. The water surface profile running down the riffles becomes less steep. The slope through the pools increases. The velocity on the riffles does increase as the flow comes up, but the velocity in the pools increases faster than the velocity increases on the riffles. So what happens during a flood is that the flows in the pool are so steep and fast that they scoop up all that sand and gravel and other materials that got transported in there at lower flows, and they scoops it up and puts it on the next riffle downstream and builds that riffle back up again. And so that's how that works in these gravel bed rivers. That's how these riffle pool sequences are maintained, and why the variable flows, including large floods, are really critical for maintaining the morphology of the stream that provides all of this ecological benefit.